All right. The second one will be a minor, a perfect fourth from the root. Now you build your pentatonic scales from a whole step, and then a minor third. That's very important. Those first four notes, and then another minor second. I mean another whole step. Excuse me. So whole step, minor third, whole steps. So the same structure. So you're going to start a minor third, a minor third from the root, one a perfect fourth from the root, and one a minor seventh from the root. And that all goes over the D. Now you should know that if it goes over that D, it's also going to go over the A minor. Those same three pentatonic scales. And also off F major, it's going to work too. The same three pentatonic scales. Also, of course, on the D minor, where we originated them from.